कुछ नीचे गिर गया होगा बॉस तो मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन अभी तो मेरे चारों तरफ मुझे और कोई आउटफिट दिख नहीं रहा है। अभी टिकता नहीं है यार, कभी टिकता नहीं है ना। ये आपका ना इजीली 4-5 किलो बढ़ा के दिखाएगा। I don't know why organza material went so viral. So all these outfits have come from laundry, you guys. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, I am going to share my festive clothing haul. So basically, these are the outfits that I got for my Banaras trip, and you guys requested me to make a haul video. 90% of the clothes that I've gotten is from Meesho. I have one piece from Myntra and one from Amazon. I think, according to me, all of these outfits are very affordable. Most of these outfits are festive appropriate, like you can wear it for special occasions like wedding guest, or if you're going for some trip like this, wherein you need to wear an ethnic outfit. I think you can make use of most of these outfits. So, keeping that in mind, I think these are pretty affordable. Again, affordability is something that is subjective. So, keep that in mind. I do have a lot of things, you guys. कुछ नीचे गिर रहे, मेरे पास जगह नहीं है रखने को. So I have like many outfits. So without further blabbering, let's quickly get into the video. So the first outfit that I'm gonna talk about is this pink sharara set. Okay, I'm gonna pop a picture side by side how it looks on the model, and insert my try on clip side by side as well. So this is the sharara set that I got from Meesho. It is so beautiful, you guys. So it comes with a short kurti. You guys can see it's short in length. It comes right above my knee, and it has like this golden detailing. It's like heavily worked, and the quality is pretty good. It's a georgette material. It comes with its own lining. So ये पूरा भरा हुआ है. If you guys can see, neck, the design in the neck is like full. Again, they have like all this design scattered throughout the body also, and नीचे भी इसका border काफी अच्छा है. It comes with a transparent georgette material का sleeves, which is like 3/4, not 3/4, it quite ends above the elbow, and again they have a detailing right here. So that is the kurta. I have picked up this in the size XL because Meesho ke sizes do vary. You have to check the size chart for every outfit. Ki jo ye the, to I thought XL would fit me, but it didn't. So I had to like tuck in a little bit. I went to the local tailor and it got a little bit tucked. But I think if I had picked the M size, it would definitely wouldn't have fit, because lower pants iske absolutely fit ho gaye. So that's what I'm talking about. So that's the reason I picked up in the size XL, because you can always like alter it if thoda upar niche hai to. And this is a beautiful sharara set, guys. इसका घेरा बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like I'll try to insert all the twirling video that I took. Almost सबके twirls बहुत अच्छे आए हैं. If I have in that particular outfit, I'll definitely insert it. इसका घाघरा, इसका शरारा बहुत अच्छा है, guys. It is like this balloon type of sharara which perfectly goes with the short kurti that they have given. And look at the width of one leg, you guys. It is that big, and I love it. It's plain, exactly what you needed. It wouldn't have looked better if it had like any design in the sharara. Love this. Is a pretty magenta color. I love this pink, hot pink, magenta, or anything to do with this sort of color family. It's my favorite. I have so many pieces from this color, but I keep gravitating towards it. So that's that. And it comes with a net plain dupatta with this sort of a border. So it's just this border, nothing else, and a plain net dupatta. The thing that I would say when it comes to Meesho is the quality is amazing, you guys. Like I am blown away by Meesho. If ever I have to choose another ethnic outfits, I would always gravitate towards Meesho, because you get so much of variety, and for the price that you pay, it is just amazing. But sometimes what they do, because of the cost effectiveness, they kind of try to compromise on the dupatta. That is a little bummer. I mean, I wouldn't mind paying 200-300 rupees if they give a full size dupatta. Almost in all the outfits that I'm going to show you today, sare outfits ke dupatta is short. So that's something that Meesho can improve on. I mean, it would be really beautiful if they give a full size dupatta. Again, it is not that short, but yeah, I wish if it was नाइस लॉन्ग दुपट्टा, और इसका ब्रेथ भी थोड़ा छोटा है, but nevertheless because I was traveling and everything, I had pinned all my dupattas so that it doesn't keep falling. As such, like dupattas usually fall hote, I'm not a big fan, I cannot carry dupatta, so I pinned all of my dupattas. So that's my first pick. All the prices will be on the screen. Next one is this beautiful red kurta set. Guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing, that this is the one which photographed so nicely. Along with the try on video, I'll try to pop the picture or the twirling video. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I did post a lot of photos and stories, and I've also posted a couple of reels with this outfit, so you can go and check it out if you want to like see how this performed in action. But this one performed so ethnic and so festive appropriate, and I even felt as if like I'm a bride. That's how beautiful this kurta set was. And this is not something that I purchased while I was surfing. This is something that's been in my cart since over 2 years easily, but the one that I was eyeing for was white one, but I did not pick white one. I picked the red one instead, which I thought it would be appropriate for this occasion. But I did make few changes in this kurta set. So this did come with a sleeves, like attachable sleeves. But yeah, this has a spaghetti kind of a neckline, boat kind of a neckline, and anarkali suit hai. It's completely lined up. So this is an anarkali suit which goes pretty a line and anarkali throughout, and iska gehra is so good. Again, it's made up of the soft georgette material. None of the outfits that I'm showing you today is feels uncomfortable. There are some cloth which pricks on your skin. It did not do. All the outfits were comfortable AF. I'm not even kidding. Of course the temperature needs to kept in account because wahan pe thandi tha, so sweating and all those things were not a problem at all. However, I don't think any of these outfits can be worn in Mumbai summer heat if you are out and about. But again, ऐसे मौके आते भी नहीं है कि हम मुंबई में ऐसे एथनिक आउटफिट पहन के बाहर घूमें. That usually doesn't happen. You're either going for a function or something like that. So I think these outfits are gonna come in handy so much. The gehra is so good, you guys. ऐसा मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको नहीं समझेगा. You guys can see it is so good. They have done a pretty good job for the price you pay. Again, it comes with a plain pant. Nothing too crazy about it. It's a synthetic material, a polyester material, and yeah, it does come with a plain pant, trouser pant. The dupatta, however, is again, it's little short. That I'm not gonna keep saying. It is a little bit short. I wished it was like uh, pretty huge, but the dupatta is also nice because the dress is completely plain. The focus is mainly on the dupatta. They have given a very beautiful design. These designs do not look cheap at all. Again, it's a georgette kind of a material. It's like fully, it has a border, it has these sort of flowers and everything. Very nice dupatta. But if you see, this dupatta has a golden work going on. But when this thing arrived, the neckline had a border, you guys, which I got removed. तो पूरा सामने और पीछे neckline था, but which had a silver kind of a work. गोटा पट्टी का काम था, but it was completely silver. Obviously, I mean, I don't know why they do it, whether it was a manufacturing defect. Only I got it. Obviously, I did not want it. So I kind of removed the neckline, neck detailing, and it came with a chiffon ka no, georgette material ka hi sleeves, like attachable sleeves, so which I got removed, and I made this what do you call, dory at the back, because yeah, because it doesn't have any detail, and it's pretty wide. If you guys see, it's a spaghetti top and it's pretty wide, so I had to put a dory. I thought it would look good. Anyways, I was not going to expose myself that much in that place, so I had a dupatta pinned on me, completely covered. So I loved the look it gave me, and I loved this piece so much. I got this in the size medium, which was still loose for me. So that's what I'm talking about. I also got it altered a little bit. That's what I'm talking about, like sizes you have to check. This piece is one of my absolute favorite amongst all the outfits that I got, and for the price I pay, I think I'm gonna make use of most of the outfit. Moving on to what I'm wearing right now, this is an outfit which I did not get a chance to wear, and this is not ekdami festive appropriate. You can carry this outfit for a simple day out or a day party or something like that. If you want to wear an Indian outfit, this is something that I had just kept in case if I'm running short of dresses, I would pull this out, but मुझे उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी थी. Sort of a silk crepe kind of a material. This one I got from Amazon, again at a very good discount. I'll pop the picture and everything. This I got in the size large, and because this arrived just a day prior to surgery, I'm saying, sorry, one day prior to the trip, so I did not want to experiment with sizes. If it was like small, I would have to exchange. I didn't have time, so I got a large size, and it did fit me very nicely. I'm gonna like obviously show you the clip on try on video. It comes with a very plain decent trouser. The iska kamar thoda mere ko loose hai, so definitely a medium I think would have fit me as well. I don't mind. Comes with a plain trouser. नीचे छोटा सा border लगाया है. It comes with this organza dupatta, which I'm not a fan of, you guys, but its design and all is very good. So for the price that I paid, I really liked it, and it's not something that you can only wear it during the festive season. So it's pretty, like, I can even carry this for my work and stuff, so it's pretty good. And I'm not just a fan of organza material anymore because it is so difficult to carry. Like the dupatta will never stay on it unless you paint it, and it's like the stiff material, so it's gonna not give you that like the compressed kind of a look. So I'm not a fan of this organza, but I got it. I got it because of the design. Like I loved this print and the design and the color combination. So that's that. Then moving on to next outfit is this purple one. This is something that I went out of my comfort zone because I am generally do not wear this color. I just think that this color kind of will doesn't look good on my dusky complexion. But oh boy, I was really wrong. I photographed so beautiful in this outfit. Loved this color on me somehow. I did not expect it to be so good, but it did. It did blow my mind. And how? So this is a purple aubergine color or a brinjal color outfit. This is the only outfit which I had which had full sleeves. In fact, I don't have any ethnic outfit which comes with full sleeves, and oh my god, it looked so beautiful on me. I bought this in the size medium. Again, you guys can see this is in the size medium, fit me perfectly. So this is also an anarkali suit which comes with georgette material, which comes with lining, and the gehra is insane, you guys. The gehra is insane. I'll try to insert the clip of the twirl. It is so beautiful, you guys. These sort of outfits, this is a plain outfit, but you can accessorize it, and just because of the gehra and everything, it is going to look so rich and elegant. It comes with this transparent georgette material ka full sleeves, looked so beautiful on me. And it comes with its own dory, which is pretty long as well. I loved this dory as well. Of course, I'm not going to accessorize and show you, but I'll insert a clip of whatever I wore. And this does not come with any pant. Actually, you don't require a pant in this. It is pretty full length, and ye mere I am 5'4.5", और मुझ पे भी ये matlab it was touching the ground. Of course, I was not wearing heels, so that's one point. If you wear heels, it's gonna look so good. But if you're anyone shorter than me, it could be a problem. आपको शायद alter करना पड़ेगा. I didn't wear heels because we were walking and everything, so फॉर दैट रीजन ये पूरा मैं ना झाड़ू करते करते जा रही थी हर जगह पे. बट इट जस्ट गेव मी अ लुक. इसके अंदर, इसके नीचे आई हैड वॉर्न गो कलर्स का सिंपल this color ka leggings, because obviously I wouldn't have just gone not wearing anything underneath. It comes with this dupatta. Again, I wish it was a little longer. but yeah, I mean the size of this is pretty good because pin करने के बाद मुझे थोड़ा सा मिला इसके साथ खेलने को. So this is a pretty nice, same kind of a like golden, sorry, same kind of the border and little bit of flowers between. This put together so beautifully. This is the only outfit I think which has this silver detailing. So yeah, I mean, amazing. Not golden. I think golden wouldn't have looked good with this color. They have done a pretty good job for the price that I paid. Misho, I'm like blown away by you. I love this outfit. Again, this was something like my favorite. I'm really sorry, you guys, if I'm not sounding chirpy and bubbly like always. There's something going on in my personal life, and I think I would soon share with you guys probably somewhere in the next week. Just want to put that out, like I'm trying to focus on other parts of my life right now, and I don't want to be inconsistent, so I am shooting, but probably somewhere in the next week I might have to skip on or a couple of videos. So I hope you guys support me with that. I'll definitely tell you guys the reason and everything in the upcoming videos soon. Moving on to the next outfit. This one, this pink kind of a cotton suit, again I got from Misho. Again, this is something that I did not wear at all. This was my emergency rescue outfit, so it's not festive appropriate at all. You can wear this like every day, but since I got it for this trip and got it from Misho, I thought I'll include this. This is in the size large because again it's like pretty stiff, guys. I washed it once because when I wore it, it was like pretty stiff. So it says it's pure cotton and it feels pure cotton. So I thought कि okay starch रहेगा, so that's why I thought I'll wash it. But then wash करने के बाद भी ये अभी तक इतना stiff ही है. So that's the reason I upped up a size also. And it's very nice, you guys. The details and all is like looks very rich as well. Very not rich, very elegant. So yeah, it comes with this machine embroidery thing, which is a white in color. There is no much blingy detailing going on. Pretty straight kurta, and नीचे इनका ऐसा design है. Again, the same design नीचे सामने and पीछे, like both the sides, the same design is there. Comes with the pant, trouser pant, little wide leg to be honest. Again, same material, then niche aisa design है इनका. Again, I liked it. It's pretty straight fit, but a big bummer that they did is the dupatta. So the picture, I'll show you the picture from Misho. This is not the dupatta that they have shown in the picture. And if you see the reviews नीचे जो पिक्चर्स डालते हैं पब्लिक, उसमें भी किसी के पास ये दुपट्टा नहीं था. But I didn't want to exchange it, so I just kept it. I mean, it's not looking that bad. You guys let me know how this dupatta is looking on that. The reason I kept it, usually Misho mein hamesha short dupatta aata hai, and this dupatta is full length. So I was like, rather than exchanging it, I would just keep it because they barely send a full size dupatta. So the color is not that great. You guys can see this is like a bubbly pink, and see the shade difference. So I don't know. I haven't worn it also, so I don't know. I'll wear it and say, please, you guys, let me know if this is not matching. Probably I'll go and buy a separate dupatta. This is a full length, pretty long dupatta, you guys. काफी long है, and they have this tassels going on, and it's a chiffon dupatta, I guess. So मुझे दुपट्टा अपने आप में अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैंने रख लिया. Plus it has this white color का border which is like very similar to that white border, so I thought okay, let's just put it and call it a day. So that's that. I got this at a very affordable rate. I think it was under 800 or something, 750 or something, I don't remember. So for the price that you pay, it's a very good, decent kurta set. I think we are down to the last outfit. I have kept the best for the last. This is my most favorite outfit again. Is a white outfit. I think you might have seen this in a couple of reels on Instagram. This is also a sharara set, you guys. It is so beautiful. I don't want to like touch it that much because I'm scared I'll like mess it up. I am in the size L and I got it altered. I think medium bhi chal jata tha. This is this beautiful off white color which has this silk kind of a material. You guys see it is worked so nicely, yet it's minimal. Look at the shine it gives you. It screams festive. and it is a short kurta. It is not that short as the first one that I showed you, but it is pretty like short, above your knee only. This has this beautiful golden copperish kind of a work. दिस नीचे है पूरा scattered भी इनके flowers बने हैं. Again, like pretty 3/4, it ends like just above your wrist, and the sleeves also has this beautiful design. Look at the shine, you guys. I love this kurta, and it comes with a beautiful shara which has so much of gera. Again, it is also pretty worked, like up till then it's not work, and then from here it is completely worked. You guys, look at the gehra. एक leg का कितना बड़ा. It comes with lining as well. Look at the gehra and look at the design. This was so good, guys. If you have to pick one outfit from this entire haul, then go pick this up. You can wear this for a wedding guest. You can wear this for any sort of your trips, like Udaipur में जाना हो, राजस्थान जाना हो, Varanasi jana ho, you can like totally wear this. It patta is also so nice, you guys. Again, it's like the silk kind of a material, very soft. मुझे बिल्कुल चुभ नहीं रहा था. I had pinned this up also because नीचे वगैरह गिरता था ना तो फिर फालतू में खराब हो जाता था. That's why I didn't want to take risk. I know I'm like capable of dropping my dupattas, so I had pinned all my dupattas. So look at the design, you guys. Doesn't it look so beautiful? I just wish again it was slightly long, but nevertheless, yeah, Misho, yeah, I thank you for bringing this outfit. This was slightly expensive. I think it was 1500 or 1600. इससे ज़्यादा कोई भी outfit cost नहीं करता है, but for the price, I think it's totally worth it. Like for the quality, I think it's totally worth it. I think I would have paid even more for this outfit. So, yep, I think that brings to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Many of you requested me to make this video. It's better late than never. So, all the Meesho codes will be down in the description box below. I think most of the outfits are still in stock. So, you guys can totally go and check it out. Probably will see you in the next video soon. You requested for underrated products that needs to go viral in 2025. I'm on it. I'll definitely do that video for you guys. Let me know other suggestions of videos that you want to see before 2024 ends. I'd probably love to do that as well. Take care. Bye bye.